Hi to everyone at NextDoor and anyone who is watching this video on YouTube. There's a good chance you don't know who I am, so how about we start there? My name is Jennifer Sargeant and I am the creator of Digital Sargeant. I own a local business digital marketing agency and I am a local business digital marketing expert. For more than a decade, I have been helping local businesses all over the United States dominate in their service area with their services. Even though I'm not managing big accounts and big spend at this moment, I am working day in and day out with local business owners, and it is my goal to be their digital marketing ally and to leverage various platforms to make sure that their business thrives online and NextDoor continues to be the center of conversation. In fact, because of the content I have online about NextDoor, many businesses reach out to me to be their digital marketing ally, and other agencies reach out to me to help them with NextDoor advertising on behalf of their local business owners. The reason why I'm recording and publishing this video today is to politely and boldly invite myself to your headquarters. There are a handful of things I would like to discuss and talk with you about at your conference room, but a couple things that I would like to highlight in this video. The first item would make it super helpful for not only me, but other businesses to manage their profiles online, and that is the ability to add admins to business profiles and to the advertising center, the NextDoor Advertising Center specifically. You see, I manage a handful, and I mean a handful of local business accounts on NextDoor, which means I have to log in and log out to each one. If I could be added as an admin and I just have a drop-down option to choose the business that I want to work with or manage, that would be amazing, ideal, and would save me a load of time. But I have a list of other things I would love to mention as well. So I boldly ask for your invite to the headquarters where I can meet with you and your team and really learn more about NextDoor, what the vision and the future looks like for NextDoor, but also give you some insight as someone who works with local businesses day in and day out all over the United States. My contact information is below, and I hope to hear from you soon.